Look at that Massey Ferguson. Now there's a machine you can depend on. It takes a special kind of crew to keep it at the sort of peak performance it was made for. This is Johnson. You name it, he can fix it. He knows your machine inside out. He trained with the best, and he's surgical in his precision. Rogers here will get you farming at your most effective. She's got the tech, knows how to max your yield and uptime, and she'll save you some cash too. Productivity? Child's play in her hands. Meet Scott. This kid is smart. I'd challenge anyone to get their hands on parts quicker than him. All genuine AGCO parts too. If you want a real eye for detail, you want Phillips. Figures, finance, he's your guy. I've been part of a few crews in my time, but I've never known anyone put a deal together like him. And me? My job is to make sure your plan always comes together. Massey Ferguson experts by your side every farming day.